Hi guys, I'm here back for a video, and this is New East's Where or W.Here. I mean New East W. So yeah, I'll be talking about a little bit about myself or my absence for the past, I think, 2 weeks here in YouTube. But now let's just do the unboxing. So yeah, so I'm starting with this first. I'm not gonna lie, I've checked the album already. No, I just checked which cards did I get, and I'm actually really happy about it. So I'm just gonna reveal that, I guess, at the end of the video. I'll be removing everything for now and just reveal it sometime. So I think that's off screen. So I'll be doing this one first. So here is the cover. I think I'm a bit too close. There. So we have the 4 members here. Here is the side. Then here is the back. So the wear is actually embossed, and this is the track list. So first 2 tracks are group songs, and the rest are solo songs. So yeah. So I haven't actually checked the photo book, just the cards. So we're all seeing these for the first time. Maybe, maybe not. So yeah, New East W, where so we're starting off with leader JR. I still like to call them by their stage names though, because I've been used to that for like 4 years already, 5 years before they went to this 101. So we have ARON, my bias. I'm really glad that ARON got a lot of lines in this comeback, just because I think she kind of needed the exposure since he wasn't in Produce 101. So it's a good way. Plus, I feel like ARON and Rainz really stepped up their vocal game so that they can fill in for Minion. Then BAEKHO. BAEKHO is still my second bias now, though I really liked him in Produce 101. That earring though, I love these photos, to be honest. I love the photography. I'm really sorry for the glare though. Oh wow, that is actually cute though, with like the overlapping thing. So now we have the cover here, and their names. Then we have the lyrics. Is that the cover though? Yeah, that is the cover. This is a different setting. They're all looking at the camera now. Lyrics, then some more group shots. It's based from the solo, so I think ARON is next. Yeah. We have JR next. Next is BAEKHO. That is pretty. It's really pretty shot. And there's thanks to wonder. So ARON's wasn't in English. Oh. Credits, New East W, then the CD plate. It's a random one, and I got ARON. So that is great since he has my bias. So here is the CD plate. It's really nice. I don't really even bother with the CD plates, to be honest. Then the next one is the portrait version. Front, back, same format, except it's, I think, a little bit glossier. Well, not really, it's just dark. Same track list. Side is just a different color. So, yeah. So let's push this back here. Actually, no. No. I'm glad it's not the same photo. At least I think. Yeah, it's not the same. These are more studio shots. Oh wow, colors. Oversaturation. I love these, like, calmer tones. Wow, I like this much better than the oversaturated one. We have ARON. It's the same sequence, I think, which is weird since it's almost by age, but ARON is older by JR. I don't know. Oh wow, I love these, like, very brownish tints, sepia-ish, but not really. That is pretty. Yeah, BAEKHO. Oh, his stuff looks different now. I don't like the hair, to be honest. Oh wow. We didn't get the calmer ones for ARON, I think. Yeah, we didn't get it. Oh wow. I love these more. I love it when they tease his tattoo. Oh, this is much better though. His skin looks so smooth. I'm so jealous. Ren, but maybe that's Photoshop. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm really sorry for the glare festival. Seems like only ARON didn't have the white background ones. Oh, I love these. The lyrics. So, if this is the portrait version, are we gonna get group shots? Thanks to. Oh, there's a group shot. Paris. Then I got another ARON disc. The gods really. They were kind to me with this. I didn't even have to bother though. Just got ARON naturally. So yeah, that was that for this. So for the cards though, this is what I got for, I think, still life version. So got these two cards. I got ARON on both and Xiumin on the unit card. It's really nice since there's ARON cards to collect, and this is like the mini photo book. So I guess this is from the portrait version? Not really sure. Maybe, because the card is, I don't know. Okay. It's like you get a teaser of some of the shots that aren't even, I think, in the other version. These are really nice though. Or maybe they are. I forgot, to be honest. Yeah. Then the playlist edition thing. Then addition to playlist. Really. Just kidding, I don't know. Do what you wanna do. So for the mini poster, I got JR, which I don't really mind since I don't really collect these though. So that was that for this version, I guess. And for the other one, so for this edition thing, I'll do the photo book first. Oh, I think these are all just... I don't know, to be honest. Why are all of ARON's photos in black and white? Then the cards for this one, I got my top 2, oh my god. ARON and BAEKHO. Then for the solo card, I got Ren, which I don't collect, so this one is up for trade. So I don't know if these will actually fit the 9 pocket pages. Oh my god. There. I'm just gonna quickly check. So I have a spare page here. Yeah. Gonna try to fill. Gonna try to put this in. No. That's it. Actually fits. Yeah, so it fits. It's a bit... It's not exactly the same size as the sleeve, but that's okay. That's great. Lisa fits. Oh my god, the light. So for the poster, I got BAEKHO. I got every member for this release. I love it how that is actually holding glass though. So yeah, that is that for this unboxing. Thank you for watching. Actually, I'm not really finished yet. So I haven't been uploading. Actually, I've been posting videos, but those were like pre-scheduled, like way back. Yeah, at the end of September. So I've managed to schedule videos up until yesterday. So it was... yeah, I had this like plan for my channel, and that I want to like, you know, do 5 videos a week or something. Crazy, right? Especially since this is an unboxing channel and we don't have like, you know, that much stuff to unbox. So yeah, then the news came with like Girls' Generation being reduced to like, you know, 5 members. It really got me, and I just didn't want to do anything about like, you know, K-pop wise. And like I'll still listen to like the new releases and stuff. I just didn't want to, you know, buy new things, and just these just arrived just because I pre-ordered them way long ago. So yeah, I just didn't want to do anything, and these arrived I think last Tuesday. If you follow me on Instagram and you saw my Instagram story, you probably know it already, together with the other stuff that is with this package. So yeah, it was just a really tough time for me, K-pop life wise, and I think I'm okay now. It's just that I don't know if we'll ever get another Girls' Generation comeback again. The future is uncertain, so it's just something that's has been really bugging me. But you know, I've tidied up my collection, like my album collection. I still arrange them by height. I think a lot of people don't really like that, but you know, I like it like that just because, you know, it looks neat. So yeah, and I just thought that, you know, I've been here for so long already. It's been 5 years. I think I actually had my 7th year of listening to K-pop last October 21 or 20, I think, just because I posted about it actually on Facebook. So yeah, it's been just so long, and I still want to leave now. I don't have a reason to leave. I'm just really waiting for another SNSD to come back, which I don't know if it'll happen again or not. It's just that, yeah. Then other reasons about me not posting new videos is that my desk was really messy, and like, you know, if your desk is really messy, or at least my unboxing set is really messy, I just don't feel like running a video just because I have to clean up and stuff. But I finally managed to do it, and yeah, and I'm here now. So I'll be doing I think 1, 2, 3 videos after this. Yeah, then I think I have payments move coming tomorrow, so, or at least actually today. So I guess I'll be uploading irregularly now. I don't want to have like a schedule, I guess. I just want to have this channel, just want this channel to go back to what it was before. Like, I upload when I get stuff. I don't have a schedule, and I don't have any, like, you know, plans. I guess I'll just do whatever I want to do, since I'm not really getting views anymore. So since I think a lot of unboxers just get stuff before me, so it's just, yeah, I don't know. I started doing this for fun, and it became not that fun. But now I think I want to do this again. So yeah, so no views or a lot of views. So yeah, thank you for being a subscriber for the past 5 years. I'm glad that, you know, you're still here ish. I don't know. And yeah, I'll be posting a lot more now ish. Depends on how much I get. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.